In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a new notebook in NotebookLM. First, let's get you into NotebookLM. Open it in your web browser or launch the app if you already have it installed. When the home screen loads, you'll see your workspace where all of your notebooks live. If you're brand new, you might see an empty space or a short welcome message. That's perfectly fine. This is where we'll create your first notebook. Next, look for the button that says Create Notebook. It's usually easy to spot near the top or in the sidebar. Click that and you'll be prompted to add a source. This is what powers your notebook. You have two simple options here, a website or your drive. If you choose to add a website, paste the full URL of the page you want to use. Aim for a page with clear, readable text so NotebookLM can process it effectively. If a page is behind a login or paywall, it might not load as expected. Give it a moment to fetch the content and you'll see a confirmation when it's ready. If you prefer to pull from your drive, select the drive option. You may be asked to grant permission to access your files. Go ahead and allow that so you can pick what you need. Then browse to the document or folder you want to include. Make sure you have access rights to the file and that it's up to date. Larger files can take a few extra seconds to process, so don't worry if it spins briefly. Once added, NotebookLM will begin organizing the material behind the scenes so you can start working with it right away. Now, let's say you want to start over and create another notebook from scratch. Maybe you're working on a new topic, or you simply want a clean slate. Look for the new notebook icon, often a plus sign or a create option, usually in the same place where you created the first one. Click that, then select Create New. This opens a fresh notebook without affecting the one you just made, so you can keep your project separate and tidy. You'll follow the same flow again. Click. Create, choose your source, website or drive, and let NotebookLM prepare your content. That's all there is to it. Open NotebookLM, click Create Notebook, add your source from a website or your drive, and when you need a fresh start, click the new notebook icon and choose Create New. With just these simple actions, you can spin up focused notebooks anytime you need them.